Morning guys, in front of me is OPPO Reno8 Z and let me show you how to block a number. So at first open your phone dialer. Now select more and click on settings. Here locate and open block numbers, and now you can either block all unknown colors smoothly by using this indicator, or you can add some number manually by yourself. Just mark add a number and provide it here. Tap on OK, and that's it. From now on, this number is blocked. Whenever you want to remove the blockade, just mark cross icon, click on unblock, and also if you wish to switch off this unknown color blockade, just unmark the switcher. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.